zone, that is 424. The market just it gave a drop. You can see it dropped down till 424 and it bounced back and tested the resistance, which is 426. Why we are saying this 426 as a resistance is that if you see the previous day, that is on Monday, if you see that the price just tried to break this 420, you can see this zone. After a drop, it stayed here and it has given a two tops. You can see here, it has given a two tops and tried to break this 426, and a failure to break this 426 caused a drop after that. So we expected the market to show some resistance around 426, and this is the reason why we always insist for intraday trading, and also for any trading we need to be sure about the intraday resistance and support levels. So let us see what happened after testing this resistance. The market found a resistance and gave a drop. Again it stayed here, and you can see it is a gradual drop, but the market didn't break this 424 which was formed before that. So when the market opening, the market dropped down till 424 and then it bounced back to 426, and then it's coming down. We should wait and watch and see whether the price is going to break this 424 or it's going to give a bounce back. But see, it tested this 424 and tried to break this, and again it went back and tested this 426. Again this 426 gave a resistance for copper market. Then you can see how many times the market is forming a bottom here. So 2 or 3 times it's hitting 423 this zone, and then it's bouncing back, and you can see again the market tried to test this 426, but the failure to break this 426 caused the market, and you can see this bottom support was broken, intraday support was broken, and the market dropped drastically, and it came down till 418, and it consolidated here for a long time and closed around 418.35. When we compare yesterday's closing, that is at 418.35, with the yesterday's market opening, which is around 424, if you see that 424, near 424 the market opened and the market closed around 418. So the closing, yesterday's closing is much below the yesterday's opening, and today we are expecting the market to open near the same zone, more or less around 418.5. This is the zone near the previous days, this consolidation zone. We are expecting the market to open. So since the opening is also near the low, that is near the previous day's trading session low, we call this as a low, near the low, we can expect the market to continue its downtrend. So today also we are going to expect copper to continue its downtrend, but the only problem is that till what range the market can stay in downtrend. So now it is clear that 426, which acted as a major resistance for copper market yesterday, is going to be a major resistance for today also, because if you note that day before yesterday and yesterday we expected the market to stay in downtrend till 432. So clients who is having sufficient fund can also go till the selling till 432, but it will be safe for us to stop here. So till 426 we can go for a selling and have 427 as a stop loss. Only if the price is going to if the copper price is going to close above this 426, we can get some confirmation the market can go for a buying. Until that, the copper can stay in a downtrend. And you should know what are the resistance level. This 426 is one resistance, and 428 is another resistance, and 432 is a very major resistance for copper market. And the possible targets, if the price is opening around here, the possible targets is 416. We are expecting the market to pause here at 416 for a while, and if this 416 support was broken, you can expect the market to test 412, which is again a very major support for copper market. So if the trend continues, we are expecting the targets around 416 and 412. Today we are expecting copper to stay in downtrend. If we compare the opening and if you analyze the trend is showing there is no showing very clear downtrend price movement. Let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Kindly follow the support and resistance level very carefully, since the stop loss range is whenever the price is dropping, and when we are clear about the range, we should always keep in mind how we are going to apply the various money management techniques, so that we get maximum profit and we always minimize our loss. So whenever you are going to average from 418 to 426, kindly book profit for the average lots at regular intervals. So this is one of the money management technique we used to follow for trading in futures market. So that can help you a lot if you keep on following that, practicing that type of techniques. So let us see how things are going in copper today. Have a nice day. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.